Studies. And today we're making a first aid container. You see the first aid container?
Yes.
Good. And in this first aid container, I will show you the items that will be put in the container, right? We have the gloves to put on your hands. We have the bandage. The bandage is like if you have a bruise, that you can use the bandage and put it on. We have cotton balls to clean the cut, right? And then we have ointment that teacher would use to rub on the cut to help heal it, right? Good. And then we have this here. This here is to help to clean the cut, right? This is the iodine solution. It's to help to clean the cut, right? So that the cut wouldn't get infected. So teacher would use the iodine to clean the cut, right? So these are the items here that teacher will be putting in the first aid container. I'm going to call one of you to put one of the items in the first aid container. So the first person I'm going to call is Isabella. Isabella, you're going to come?
No.
To put on the bruise or the cut, right? And teacher are going to use the cotton balls, and also we're going to use the iodine to clean the cut, right? Okay.